Yes, I'm going to show you an extremely simple asana, but also it is very helpful one, especially in the case of cervical. If you have cervical and you don't know that you have it, this is one position that you would not be able to do. And if you are able to do it, you don't have any cervical issues. So, and if you have cervical, then if you do this asana, you'll be able to cure yourself and heal yourself. Now this is called Gomukh asana or the cow's face pose. Go in Hindi, Gai is a cow, Mukh is the face, and it somehow looks like this. It's the cow's face, and you're going to do this behind you. You have to grab both the hands behind you. Now let's see how it looks from behind. You could sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana. This is the Vajrasana you're sitting, where your toes are together, heels are separate, and you're sitting, the sits bone is in between the heels. Now take one hand from above and the other hand from below and grab both the hands from the fingers. As I told you, that's the cow's face or the Gomukh asana. You should be able to do it on both the sides. The second side would look this from above, this from below, and you grab. Now supposing you're not able to do it, which means that you have it or you're heading towards cervical issues, so you grab a towel or any cloth and then grab it from two ends. Then try to reduce the distance by pulling the hands towards each other until you slowly reach a point where you're able to grab both the hands and the fingers completely. Let's see from the front. So you're sitting in a Vajrasana. This is the Vajrasana. Again, this is a very nice, effective asana. Especially it helps you in digesting the food. After you've eaten food, you can sit in this position. Generally, they say you should not do yoga after eating food. This is the only position you can sit comfortably and it helps in digestion. So this is the Vajrasana. Grab the hands like this. Supposing you have any cervical issues, you start doing this, you'll see the benefits.